that rebound. That rebound. Oh, right there. That's what you don't want to see. They both upshift right here. Boom, I love it. But the commitment right here. Chase is not on it. Cooper's on it. But look at the body position. This tells it for me. I just think he was just tired. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Trackside. It's your boy Cinema J here, and I want to give a big thanks to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for saving my life. This channel, I welcome the believer and the non-believer. All are welcome. Secondly, I want to thank you guys for supporting this channel. Thank you for the likes, shares, comments, the kind words from you guys. Everything is very, very, very helpful for the channel, and things they're going good. They're growing, man, thanks to you guys. So thank you as well. You play a part in this, a huge part in this. And then I want to shout out Soda Fuel, the sponsor of this video. If you guys need some electrolytes, check these guys out. They're really cool. Made this funny video.
More cramp, more cramp.
I'm actually cramping for real now. I can't.
Oh goodness, more cramp.
I can't.
More cramp.
And yeah. Nah, we've been using this for I feel like over a month now, and on keto diet especially, like you need electrolytes. You need electrolytes if you're not on a keto diet. So I encourage everyone to invest in it for yourself, and if you want a discount, 10% off, all free shipping or free shipping on all orders. The discount code is Trackside. It's Soda Fuel. Link will be down below in the description. So really good ingredients. They're clean. You know, that's really important for like us, is paying attention to ingredients. So these guys, they knocked it out of the park, and the taste is good. Oh my goodness, I love it. So with that being said, let's get into the 250 highlights here and break things down for you guys. Slow things down and stop things down. That don't make sense, but let's do it. All right, 250 whole shot. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now, I want a VL. I wanted to see some more dog. And it's looking like, you know, he had the dog in the whole shot, okay? And then it, you know, the pit bull turned into Air Bud. Okay, but, you know, okay, I guess. You took out Ansi though, and that upset me. Okay, but aggressive pass, I love it. Next, this section right here, guys like RJ and Roxanne were killing it, and they won. Wow, and I love that angle. Let's get another shot. Hop up on, and then boom. And the question is, why didn't a lot of guys do that? I just think it comes down to skill. I don't think a lot of guys could do it so efficiently as RJ in the 250 class and Roxanne in the 450 class. That was the separating section, and they won. So Hymas, Kitchen, who wants it more? Yeah, and Hymas backs off right here. Kitchen was rolling, dude. I think Mitch said too, it's possible he could have got up there to win, but I don't know. RJ was clean, man. Kitchen would have had the ride over his head, and then we get this here, will tap, and then it was good. The bike leveled out, but like just too much. It spanked him too much. Just spanked him too much in the booty, and yeah, it just booted my man way farther than he expected. Like, they were doing this all night, but this is too much. Now we're nose down, not good. Trying to save it, holding on to the end. Man, you gotta admire the will, but right there, boom, collarbone broke, boom, back fractured. Such a high speed crash. Man, just praying that the Lord would heal him up quickly, and that he'll be back out there. Also praying this doesn't, you know, mentally affect him, man. Bad crashes, they play a part in the mind, you know what I'm saying? So also, what happened to Forkner? Who knows, man? I don't, but drop down in the comments. Here we go. Haymaker, hammaker, making moves. Can't make mistakes, Chance. This shot here was crazy because this angle, it looked like he was gonna scrub on his head or something, but then boom, just give him a handful of sand right there. But yeah, clip this jump right here, and that just slow down all his momentum. I mean, just can't make those mistakes, Chance. And what I like about this though, when I was watching, I was like, okay, it's cool that Haymaker Hammaker decided, I was like, I'm gonna jump right into his line, cut him off, get in front of him, give him some dirt in the mouth, and then cut his line off and defend this line and really make sure I get out there. So that was cool. But yeah, ultimately, these guys had nothing for this, man. RJ Hampshire, look at him. Pointing to you guys. Hey, who went to the race, man? Come on, it's Daytona. Yo, they said it was his first Supercross race. This was my first Supercross race that I ever went to, Daytona. It was like a very last minute thing. We packed up the kids. My wife was pregnant, and we was like, we just gonna go out there. She had never been to one, and she did not like the smell of that race gas, and she was pregnant. Woo! Baby was crying. River was a baby. He was crying the whole time. It sucked. But yeah, look at this. Bong! When they bounce off the ground like that, he need the airbag joint. Did he have the airbag joint? That would have been perfect for that right there. The airbag joint. You know what I'm talking about? The outbound star chest protector airbag. Watch this. You know, clips the joint right there. Hits him in the butt too, and just boom. That rebound. Oh, right there. That's what you don't want to see. Right there, man. I mean, it's a mistake. It's a mistake. He made it. He did it. But I actually realized Thrasher made the same mistake too in the heat race. It's crazy. You know, Barsha gonna give you some roost. My boy looking like he rides Supermoto out there. Moto GP. No visor. And this. How many times we're gonna see this? It's crazy. All right, to the 450 main. But that's what happened in the heat. You know, that's what happened to Chase. It happens. And he got a decent start here though. I'm not surprised. He's actually, since Jet is out, it's been better at starting. You know, it's crazy. And then Webb though, you don't want Webb to be where he is. Wow, that's just good. But man, Anderson has been on with the stars this year. Just has nothing in the middle and the late parts of the race. But that Kawasaki loves to start, and that Kawasaki has loved whoops all year. That's what I've noticed. And then I watch this here. Ooh. Man, Chase is just getting banged up all over the place. It's wild. But Justin Cooper, Chase, it's funny, like this is how we start. Chase does all that work, moves through all these guys, and then Cooper ends up catching him and passing him just from being consistent. And he's nowhere near as fast as Chase, but that's just crazy. We're gonna see what happened, but look at this. It was at this moment right here, I was like, oh, AP got the dog tonight. AP's doing it for Dale. This is do it for Dale energy right here. This is do it for Dale energy. And I'm used to seeing him lay up, you know, oh, it's a points leader. I'll just let him go by, but not tonight, baby. Let's go. It was this moment here. Who wants it more? Who wants it more? Right there. Anderson backs off. AP doesn't. He wants it right here. He's hungry. Now, this is the opening laps. We're going to see later where he don't got the same energy, man. This is the difference with these top guys at the beginning of the race and later in the race. So AP is on right here. And I believe guys like Roxon and Webb know that AP, okay, right now he can get out there and get going, but I cannot let him get away because he could easily get away right here. Anderson, the body language says it all for me. It was given Jet body language, but not Jet speed. You know, like it was looking like chill, cool, but you know, just letting the bike work, but he just didn't have the speed. It almost like he was just tired, man. I don't know what's going on. And this right here, the moment, so Rossi needs to do this all year. He needs to do that all year, which is catch Webb off guard, go against Webb's tactics. We all know Webb's tactics. Now guys gotta start using it against them, and that's what Webb did. You know, he's gonna pace out and take advantage of guys late in the race. Let me do what I'm good at and go ahead and get by him while I'm stronger, and just focus on being strong, getting out there front, get out front early, fast, and pray he don't catch me. Because Webb was coming. He had more in the tank for Roxon too. It's just, man, those mistakes. And right here, letting the 450 do what it wants to do on the beach sand. I love it. I love it. Let's go. This is great. Look at the gap he put on Webb right there. Roxon was on, man. He's, gosh, the opening laps is crazy insane. Like he's like a monster out there. Look at that, man. So that's what I'm saying. Like Roxon, super clean through that section. Did better than anybody else in that section, and made it work the whole race, man. I wonder how Eli Tomac would have done it this race. I think he would have won this race. But oh yeah, let's take that back one more time. Okay, right here, look at where Chase is. Okay, right here, who wants it more? Look at where Chase is. Now, this is what I like about Chase. We a lot of us know this. We see this, how he pushes through the jumps. Watch this power. Come on, man. Guy raced the LCQ, met the face of a piece of dirt, and just does this. Has the strength to go out and do this. Move through the field, guys like Malcolm. And look at the body position here. All right, Chase is on it right now. Anderson, he's backing off. You know, he's racing his own race. My guy's getting tired. He just looked like he was shot. But look at Chase. Look at the body position. We're going to check it out later, too, the difference. But look at this. Halfway through the race here, and he's racing. I believe he thinks he can win. So then, boom, right here, I'm like, who wants it more? Usually Anderson, you know, but momentum-wise, I mean, Chase has got it. I mean, anytime Chase starts racing like this and doing stuff like this to guys like Anderson, who we know they'll take you out. Look, that means you won it. And Chase, like Anderson did not even phase Chase right there. No effect. Chase is racing for the win right now. And this is where Chase's will to win is exciting, as you get to see stuff like that. And Anderson, whew, I know the AMA was over here like, is he accelerating? I wouldn't be surprised if he's on the fine list. It's like if you see any kind of roost, any kind of mark, they say you're accelerating. So hopefully Anderson doesn't get fined for that. I know he's let her eat before on the side of the track. So I think he was pretty chill right here. He backed off and just hopped back on pretty clean. But my guy shuffled back to 8th, man. 1st to 8th for Anderson. Something's up. Crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Upshift by Roczen. Downshift by Roczen. Just the intensity here. Just, man. Body position too for me too. I'm looking at Roczen. He just looks more solid right here. It's like AP now is starting to fade. And Roczen, I mean, he's out. Once he got this right here, it was over. It was over. He was out of there. And man, this guy, if he could do this every race, can he make up points on Webb? I mean, Webb is going to be at least second every race. That's where I'm at. He's going to be at least second. Man, look at that. Did y'all see? I'll run it back. Watch AP's body language here. Same line. Roczen and RJ was taking, but look at what he does. He just putts through there, right? And I didn't see anybody make a pass on like RJ and Roczen doing that right there when guys would take the inside, but Webb makes the pass right here. And it's just looking like, to me, AP has lost what he had in the beginning, and Webb is just now kicking it into overdrive. Now he's coming for Roczen. This is really good. And in the back, oh, now he makes this mistake. So I'm like, okay, make yourself work harder. But what was crazy after this, he still caught up to Webb. That's what I'm saying. I mean, he caught up to Roczen. That's what I'm saying about Webb. Is like, yo, Webb is fast this year. I think this is the fastest Webb I've ever seen. All right, so makes that mistake, but he's gonna bounce back here. And now here we go, Chase. All eyes were on Chase, cause like, yo, he don't walk down all these dudes. He done went through all this damage to get to this point, and I'm like, Chase might win this thing. And then Webb does this. Man, they had some issues. I don't know if it was the clutch. He was letting that thing burn up all night, or it was just him. But I just believe it was just Daytona. This dirt and this track, it was so slick. I mean, honestly, he just slipped. But that was it. That was the moment right there. The thing is, he was right behind Roczen. He was on Roczen's back wheel at this point. So for me, with the time left, I'm like, he's doing that thing. He number 2. It's something about 2 minutes left on the clock. This guy goes berserk at 2 minutes. And it just didn't work tonight. But Webb, being a champion, he settled in, took the second. He knows he's good for points. He's good. That's why I like him. Chase, right here, this was the moment I think we all knew something's up. He misses the line. And I'll be honest, that was a line he was hitting all night. It looked like he was gassed. Like, it's like he didn't have the strength to really stop that thing and get in that line. He had no pressure, to be honest, from AP or anything. And then he rolls the first jump and then rolls this one, or scrubs it. Something was up, man. I think he just hit a wall stamina wise. Then we get watch this. They both upshift right here. Boom, I love it. But the commitment right here. Chase is not on it. Cooper's on it. But look at the body position. This tells it for me. I just think he was just tired. He raced at LCQ. He did all that work to catch up with the top guys in the sport, man. You gotta be tired. I know you like that, but like, man, there comes a point where it's a bit much, and I think he was gassed. I don't think he settled. Settling means you're gonna settle in the position that you're at, right? I don't think he settled, because he started shuffling back. Either something was wrong with the bike, which I don't think that was the case. Nothing happened. The camera was on him a lot. His body position, his body language was just like, bruh, It turned into everybody else. He started looking at Anderson and AP out there like, bruh, I'm just trying to finish. I'm tired as all get out. But yeah, he lost again. Man, fastest guy out there and lost. Wow. All right, so Rossi got a Daytona. Is he gonna get a championship? This is good. This is funny. Look at my guy right here. He's gonna dap my man up. He's like, oh, he's gonna give me a 5. Yeah, come on, let's do it. Oh, nope, oops. Nope, not me. I just work here. What was I thinking? I would have dapped my man up, yo. But anyways, that's it for the highlights. Did you guys enjoy this? If so, drop down in the comments. What did you see? What did you notice that I didn't? Yes, I noticed in the last video I said Cody shot was on a 450. He was racing 450, but he was on a 250. I'm sorry. But hey, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out Soda Fuel. Discount code Trackside. I am out. Catch you guys in the next video.